Alright guys, I just wanted to let you know that the magnificent flying turd has finally showed up after months on the road. This thing took longer to get here than anything I ever ordered from Banggood. Okay, this thing took 2 months to get here. And it wasn't on back order. It was in stock when I bought it. It got shipped like 2 days or something after I bought it. Then it finally showed up. Look at the box. I mean, it's all, the customs must have been on this thing. Okay, they were checking for something. I don't know what. I don't know what they thought it was. But there it is. There's the back. So I'm going to reopen it because customs already opened it. So now I'm going to open it. I wonder if they were playing with it. Man, this thing is just... There was probably a case of Phantom 4 Pro sitting on top of it. That's going to be my guess. And so to cushion the Phantom 4s, they set them on top the turds. Okay. There's nothing else in there. Box has a... I don't know, man. So here it is. It's a real beauty. To steal a line from Steve. It's a real beauty. There it is. What if there's any juice left in it? Yeah, there's a little bit in there. Sounds like it's got some power. I mean, it really had some nice lift to it. I'm not going to let it go. It'll probably hit me in the nose, right? So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to charge it up and take it out. The charger fell on the ground. But that's all there is to it, man. It's nothing. I just thought it was a cool novelty thing. You know, I saw it on there and I said they had all these other turd things that they'd probably have one of these, and sure enough, I found it on Banggood 2 months ago. But here it is. Anyway, I'll get it out and make a video. Maybe I'll fall over the hill. This time I'll take the whole dump, not just to fall down a little bit to get the Spider-Man. Maybe I'll take the full enchilada. Okay, so we don't need none of that. But I did want to show you guys the GoPro car mount because I had a couple people ask about it, so I'm going to show it to you. Here it is right here. You don't get this with it. I'm pretty sure it only comes with the suction cup because, you know, everybody that buys a GoPro gets one of these. One of these is in there, you know. I think it just comes with the suction cup and then the little piece that goes on there. This little thing right here that goes on here. Now, listen, you know, as with all these GoPro accessories, this thing's real expensive, okay? It was $39 plus tax, so you're looking at, you know, like 43 bucks or something like that. So yeah, it was real expensive, but I mean, what are you going to trust your camera to, right? You get one for 10 bucks, stick it on the hood of your car or on the roof of your car and then drive down the road and then the thing falls off and the camera's gone. This thing's rated at 150 miles an hour. And I've had it on the turnpike. I drove from here to Seven Springs. That's like a little, it's like an hour and 5 minutes or something like that on the turnpike. going like 75, 80 miles an hour, and no problem at all. I mean, when you get it on there right, I mean, you try to grab it, you can't pull it off of there, you know, not without doing the releasing the thing here. So that's how you set it on there. You just release that, push it down on there, push this in, and then pull the lock down. I always wet it a little bit. Now make sure you clean the, you know, the paint. I stick it on actually on the painted part, on the roof of the car, not on the glass. And the glass would probably be even better if you just stuck it on the edge of the glass. Then you'd have to, you know, tilt the camera a little bit. But it actually would probably be better on the glass. But I stuck it on the paint because you can hang, you know, it advertises, you know, you can hang it on the door and all that crap, you know, so. Yeah, it works really well, but man, it's hard buying this thing for $39, you know. You know you can get them cheaper, but how much is your camera worth? See, that's what it all boils down to me, you know. I don't want to put a camera on there and then have it freaking blow down the road. So, all right, guys, I just wanted to show you what it looks like. And they have these at Best Buy. There ain't too many places that you can even find this GoPro stuff in any kind of decent stock. I mean, Best Buy, Walmart sometimes has, you know, but they're so hit and miss on the stuff they have for the GoPro at Walmart. Target usually has a little GoPro section, and I don't know, maybe some other stores, but them are the only stores around here that I know of. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you the thing here and the flying turd. We'll get the flying turd going. I think it's supposed to rain here for the next 6 days in a row, so I don't think I'll be doing too much. So, all right, boys, have a nice day.